Alright, so welcome to another 5-way sound test, guys, and today we have a really interesting comparison. We have all the CCAs in the channel. We have the new CKX, the new CS16s as well, the C12s, the CA16s, and also one of my top favorites in the channel, the CCA C10. I do like the CKX overall. It falls to my preference, but of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. Of course, if this content helped you choose, I have my affiliate links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And of course, let's start the sound test now.
I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.